Hi and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I built this airplane. So I'll be showing you how to do it in 5 simple steps. Let's start with step 1. So step 1, you kind of have to get the idea. So you want to build an aircraft. What type? Like you kind of need to research a bit, like is it even your interest? So what I like to do is like watch a few videos, get some inspiration, look at what different creators have made, and like after that I could literally like start buying parts. So being in the first step, you can pretty much just like maybe gather some materials, electronics, do some prototyping, maybe some testing. Like talking about prototyping and testing, that brings me to step 2, the mission plan. In this step, you finally got the parts, the materials you need, so you kind of need to get the mission plan, the airplane main mission. So step 3, this is pretty much the CAD. If you don't know it, CAD is the engineering playground. This is here the engineers can like play around, fiddle a bit, do some calculations, look at the product before they start making it. It's like very easy, cheap, and like nothing can go wrong pretty much. So what I mean by that is like in the CAD, what I did to build this was like I made a huge box around the fuselage, and then I cut out the 2D view from the upside and the side, and what that gave me was a square shape that gave a lot of lift and was very, very, very easy to cut. That brings me up to step 4. So what I tried when building this was to get 45 degrees on each cut, which kind of makes 90-degree lines, It didn't go as well because like it's hard to cut in a straight line, and now my edges are like pretty ugly and it's not the prettiest. But if you have a CNC machine with a 90-degree mill bit, you might be able to do it, because like it does everything for you and like it gets a very beautiful result. But if you don't have that, I would strongly recommend just to do normal cuts, not like to cut it 45 degrees. Anyways, as you might be able to see, some of the parts for the plane are 3D printed. If you don't have a 3D printer, you might be needing to make your own design. But like when building this plane, I got like this little feeling. I was like uneasy because I felt like it would be kind of expensive if it crashed, or like I made a little mistake so it didn't fly as well. So I bought a little aircraft, the EO717 Cessna 185. Just a little RC plane that I could get some inspiration from and like to know what should I keep on doing or like undo. It wasn't great, so with some careful considerations with like the battery compartment or the main construction, I built the aircraft that I'm owning right now. So we have finally arrived to the 5th and final step of the fuselage build. Since you have watched this far in the video, you might be able to like, subscribe, maybe even see my TikTok channel. Anyways, that's beyond the point. It's kind of, the 5th set is like mindset, because you kind of need to be able to build it and not be afraid to fail, because there will be problems when you're building it. You have to find your way around them. it's a part of engineering. You kind of need to progress and succeed. I really hope you found this useful. So see you in the next one.